Kapod wan e kaunti ma Migori en apis mbetre mar piny Amerika kotudore kanyo kod apisi mar Women Rep ma Migori Dr. Pamela Odhiambo koro oyie mar biro chiwo sir mar chiwo taulo mag ria maromo kanyo 5,800. Dr. Pamela kane loso ewi wachne e kaunti nogo ma Migori olero ni chenrono mar konyo nyithindo manyiri sub counties duto te mantiere kaunti nogo ma Migori en mano ma bende koro dhi ng'iyo ahinya to jopuonjre go masomo e day school, kowacho jopuonjre masomo e day school obedo ga chiedh nade ni mar ka giseduogo ponono koro gidhi malo to ok onyal dhi school ponono onge gi taulo mar ria. Wacho ni mano koro e geta mare ma bende ochano biro dhi godo nyime e konyo nyithindo manyiri kendo e bero sombegi.
And my directors, Migori County from Nyatike, Suna East, Suna West, Kuria East, Timaru, Mabera, Kuria West, constituencies or sub-counties as we call them administratively. Gentlemen, today we've been here to finish the exercise that we started yesterday at Matagaro Mixed Secondary School in Rongo constituency. We launched the distribution of the sanitary towels that were donated to the Ministry of Education to be brought to Migori County by the U.S. Embassy in Kenya. And so it is a special thank you once again to the Embassy of the United States of America here in Kenya. We appreciate that you are recognizing the fact that we are still struggling with the girl child and especially to take them through formal education. And so thank you for these parts. We received about 5,700 pieces, single pieces that contains around 8 pads inside. And so we have given them to some selected schools according to the level of the need. We targeted the day scholars because these girls, when they were in primary, the government of Kenya together with all of us have been struggling to maintain them in school. But when our girls transit to secondary school, then they face even worse challenges than what they had in the primary.